Senator Risa Hontiveros says the United Opposition may name its standard bearer for the 2028 presidential elections by the end of 2026 or in the first quarter of 2027. In a press conference on Wednesday, February 18, Hontiveros was asked about Vice President Sara Duterte's presidential bid. She was also asked about the opposition's frontrunner, with Hontiveros saying the alliance is currently setting its schedule.
Sabi ng mga paborito nating mga philosophers, tayo po ay may free will, so gamitin po natin. Nandun kami sa proseso ng pagtatakda ng aming sariling timeline. So yung free will na binanggit ko kanina ay ginagamit na rin po namin sa sarili namin.
Earlier Wednesday, the Vice President announced her bid to run for president in the 2028 polls as she accused President Bongbong Marcos of failing to deliver on his promises. Meanwhile, Hontiveros says the opposition has been regularly communicating even before Duterte's announcement. She says the opposition has been continuously leveling off and aligning common values. Earlier, Hontiveros said she was open to being the front-runner of the United Opposition if the alliance chose her as a candidate.
Nabanggit ko dating common values na nahanap namin sa aming hanay, no? Yung pagnanais para sa anti-corruption and good governance, yung pag-grow at pag-share ng bunga ng ating mas malakas na ekonomiya, isang tunay na pagkakaisa sa ating divided at polarized na lipunan, of course, pambansang soberanya at iba pa.